Hi guys, it's your girl India. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been up here in a while, but I am back with another video, and this video is going to be me showing you guys my dermaplaning routine when I am at home. So now I'm just showing you guys what my skin is looking like right now. I do have a bit of hair, and I do want to disclaim that I do like to dermaplane my face at least once or twice a month just to keep up with everything, because I do like to do my makeup and it just makes my makeup look so much better. So now I'm just going to be going in with the glycolic acid from The Ordinary. I love this toner. It's just going to get rid of any residue from any other products, and it's just going to turn our skin so that we are degreased and prepped and ready for dermaplaning. Alright you guys, after letting our skin dry from that toner we just used, we're going to be going in with some oil. This is hemp seed oil, and it's from e.l.f. You can get this at a drugstore. I personally got it from Walmart, and we're just going to apply that all over our skin to make it easier for us to glide the razor through our skin. And yeah. Alright guys, so I'm just showing you my razor. This is a razor from, I believe it's Clava. I hope I'm saying that right. But this is what my razor looks like. You do want to get a clean razor, you guys. You want to have a clean razor each time you are going to dermaplane your face at home. I personally like to use either alcohol or Barbicide, and I just like to let that razor soak in Barbicide for about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm sorry you guys, it was kind of hard for me to look at the mirror and show you guys on the other side at the same time, but I am just doing some very light strokes on my face. And I do like to go in an upward motion, especially near my sideburns. You do want to remember to always stretch your skin for each section of your face when you are going in with the razor. This is just going to help you get a smoother shave and reduce any nicks or cuts or anything that you may get. So just remember to stretch your skin each time, okay? Yes. Alright guys, so I do get some thick hairs down near my chin. I hate them. So we're just stretching our skin again. We're just going against those hairs. Yeah. I do want to let you guys know to do not put as much pressure on your razor than you need to. You really don't. You can go as gentle as you need to. You don't want to overdo your skin because it's very delicate. So alright guys, I'm just gonna put you guys on to a little bit of information about dermaplaning. So dermaplaning is an exfoliating treatment which is done by trained professionals, i.e. estheticians or dermatologists. They use a single-use blade, surgical blade, on your skin, which is gonna remove hair and dead skin. I'm showing you how I shave my face at home, which is the same concept of dermaplaning, but you can do it at home and you can do it on yourself. I would not suggest you go buy a surgical blade for you to do it at home. No, please see a professional. Thank you. Alright guys, so I decided to go over my nose with the razor. I usually don't have that much hair on my nose, but I did see a little bit of hairs that I wanted to get rid of. You do want to stretch your nose the opposite way. Like I said, you do want to hold the skin for each area that you go over with the razor. So you want to be very gentle in this area. Okay, so when I'm going near my eyebrows, I do go ahead and arch them. Since I'm already shaving my face, might as well do my eyebrows while I'm doing them. So I literally just went over the top and in between my eyebrows, because I was definitely growing a unibrow right there, so I had to get that, honey. And I didn't go too in depth with my eyebrows in this video, but if you guys do want to see how I arch my eyebrows at home with my razor, then like this video or comment down below. Alright you guys, now that we're done shaving our face, I just went in with a damp aesthetic wipe and just wiped the rest of those hairs that was left over. And I'm also trying to get rid of that oil that we had on there also. After wiping your face, you can go ahead and wash your face with your cleanser and get all of that stuff off. Yeah, those were the hairs that were left on my face. Next, I am going to be going in with my ice roller, which is my favorite part. You guys, your skin can be very, what's the word? It can feel very tingly after going in with the razor. Me personally, it makes my skin feel, it doesn't burn, it just gives a, I don't know how to explain it, you guys, but it's very important that you go on with a calming product, either a mask, or if you don't have a face roller, you can just use a piece of ice. Or if you don't have that, you can just use a really cold rag, clean rag, and just do cold compressions all over your face until it feels better. I personally like to use the ice roller. It's so relaxing. It has so many benefits. It really depuffs your skin. Also, you know, when you first wake up in the morning, your face, you just be looking like a blow up fish, honey. So I really like to ice roll my face in the mornings also. It reduces inflammation. It soothes and cools your skin down from doing this type of thing at home, okay? It's also really good for lymphatic drainage. So I really like my ice face roller. This one I believe is from the brand Flawless. I really like it. You can get it at Marshall's. It's really cheap, and yeah. Alright you guys, after that you do want to moisturize your face, and I didn't show that on camera, but you do want to go in with the moisturizer and bring that moisture back into your face and just look at the glow. Yeah guys, like Derma-Planing is my favorite. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and comment down below, and bye.